Hello everyone, so in this video I will explain how to install MySQL in Windows 11, or it should be same for Windows 10 as well. So go to Google page and just type MySQL, okay, and enter. So we are going to this MySQL website, and after reaching here we have to basically choose MySQL for Windows. Okay, so we have these options, so let me choose one of them. So I have chosen this one, MySQL website, then download. So in the downloads, if we go downwards, we can see that MySQL community downloads. Okay, so I'm clicking over it, and here we have to choose MySQL installer for Windows. So I'm clicking over it. Now we have these two options. So one of them is for us. So we are choosing this one, second one. Okay. So MSI installer, let me download it. So right now we are not logging or sign up, so we can go to this no thanks, just start my downloads. Okay, so now it's installing. Now I'm opening, it's downloaded, so let me open it. So it is saying so more details. Do you want to allow this app? Yes, I want to allow this. Okay, so do you want to allow this app? No, yes, I am just allowing it, and now it is installing. So now here we will choose custom basically, because we have to choose which one. So let me go to this one, we will choose this. So just drag in like this. So I'm selecting first one. Now we'll expand this MySQL. So here we need this backbench. Okay, so we will go to only backbench. We'll select it like this, and we'll click on this green arrow, and then we will come to this MySQL cell one. Okay, we'll connect over it and we'll click it. We need only these three for now, and then we'll go for next. Okay, now I'm executing it. So all these three components are installed. So I'm going for the next. We'll go next. Okay, now here we have to basically see what all things we have to click. So I'm keeping this as default because we are not having a server computer. This is where I'm assuming we are looking for the personal laptops. So then we have to keep all these things as it is. So let's go for next. Okay, next, MySQL root password and repeat password. So let us give us. So I have just given admin 123. So it's showing weak. So maybe you can give some stronger password according to your convenience. I'm giving some password. Similarly, you guys also can give some strong password. Okay. Yeah. So it's medium. So for me, it's fine. I'm going ahead. And we'll keep other things by default. So let us see what it is saying. Yeah, grant full access, so we'll keep it as it is. And here we have a lot of options. According to your need, you might be choosing these options, but I'm keeping these things as simple as that. Okay, so I'm not choosing anything. Let me execute it. So it takes some time, so let's wait. Yeah, it is finished, and let's go for next. So yeah, we are done here, and finally we are here. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Now we just logged in. Okay, now we are here, and this is the place we were waiting. Now from here we can create our database or queries and all. So yeah, that's it. We are able to install it. From here you can definitely proceed to creating your table and all. Thank you for watching the video.